Some men want a step-by-step action plan on how to make a woman fall in love fast. But love is unique, and the actions that make a woman fall in love are different for every woman and relationship. Better use of a man's time then is to focus on becoming the type of man women can fall in love with easily. The first step in getting women to fall in love with you fast is to make sure you're searching for love for the right reasons. Ask yourself, are you interested in learning how to make a woman fall in love because you genuinely love women and want to create something amazing? Or are you just interested in the validation a woman's love would give you? Build confidence with women and get away from that validation-seeking mindset. Once you're free from that, the door that allows you to attract women and get women to fall in love with you will fly wide open. If you want to get a girl to fall in love with you, then you must love yourself first. You've got to enjoy your life and be happy with who you are. Until you do that, getting a girl to love you will be damn near impossible. So make a point to enjoy yourself even when women aren't in your life. Pursue the career, activities, and hobbies you enjoy. Volunteer for a cause you believe in. Surround yourself with fun, positive people who support you. When you love your life, it's going to make you more attractive to women and it'll be easier to get women to fall in love with you. Be the strong man women want. There is a problem with men who will do anything to make a woman love them. This desperation isn't what women want in a man. Instead, women want a man with integrity, who has a strong idea of who he is, what he stands for, and where he's going in life. A man with standards and boundaries, who doesn't waver from them. So rather than focusing your energy on how to get a girl to love you, focus on what you want from a woman and relationship. Take the time to write down exactly what you want in a girlfriend and how you want your relationship to look. Once you know what you want, go after it, and don't accept anything less. Get her to love you. Men often fall into the trap of thinking they need to act a certain way in order to get a girl to love them. But you want to make the girl fall in love with you. Not some fabricated version of you. So to get a girl to fall in love with you, you've got to show her your authentic self. It simply involves letting the woman know the impact she has on you. For example, if you're with a girl and all you can think is that you want to kiss her, then come out and say, "All I can think about right now is how I want to kiss you." The key to expressing authenticity is to be completely unattached to the outcome. While it's fine to prefer certain outcomes, give her the freedom to respond however she chooses. When she experiences the impact she has on you, your willingness to make yourself vulnerable and go for what you want. And sees that you won't pressure her to respond a certain way. That's a powerful combination that makes it easy for the woman to fall in love with you. If you want to learn how to make a woman fall in love with you, with every part of you, then you should take the first step, and love every part of her. In fully accepting and loving every part of her, you give her experience most guys are unwilling to give. Get a woman to feel loved like this, and she'll reflect that love right back at you. Learning how women fall in love is the best lesson you can learn.